Hey guys, so today we're going to go through lines parallel to the axes as part of coordinate geometry and linear relationships. So in order to do this, you're going to need to know how to graph straight lines. What are lines that are parallel to the axes? Well, these are lines that are parallel to either the x-axis, which is the horizontal axis, or the y-axis, which is the vertical axis. Now, as you know, lines that are parallel continue forever and never touch each other or cross over. So that means that they're going to have the exact same distance between each other no matter what. So the aim of this video is for you to be able to identify and draw lines that are parallel to the x and or y axis. So let's go through a few examples. So example 1 says x equals 2. That means this line, x, will always equal 2, no matter what y is. That means, if you see the green line there, x will always equal 2. So for example, when y equals 0, x equals 2. When y equals 3, x equals 2. When y equals 7, x equals 2. When y equals negative 7, x equals 2 as well. So x will always equal 2. And you'll see the green line is on the 2. Let's go through the blue line. The blue line says y will equal 2, no matter what x is. So now, y is going to equal 2. When x is negative 3, y equals 2. When x is 4, y equals 2. When x is 6, y equals 2. So you'll see that that line is parallel to the x line. It's always going to have two boxes in between it and the line at all times. I think you're getting the hang of it, but let's do two more examples. For example 3, x equals negative 2. So x equals negative 2. No matter what y equals, when y equals 3, x still equals negative 2. When y equals negative 4, x still equals negative 2. And the last one, y equals negative 2, you can see with that orange line. Now, there is one more thing that you need to know here. You can see these circles that I have are called points of intersection, where the lines intersect or cross over each other. So, if I was to say, at what point do the blue and the green line cross over? Well, they cross over at this point, and its coordinates are 2, 2. If I said, at what point do the orange and the red line cross over? Well, they cross over here, which is negative 2, negative 2. And if I said, at what point does the red and the blue line cross over? Well, I can see that there as well, which is negative 2 and 2. And the last point of intersection there is the orange and the green. And that crosses over at 2 and negative 2. We call those points of intersection. Okay, now we've done a few examples. I've got a few questions here for you to do. Pause the video, do the questions, and then come back and check the recommended answers. Well, there you have the recommended answers. Hopefully you got them right. If not, go watch the video one more time just to make sure you understand. Till next time, take care, guys.